Robert Half Review. App: the pros, the cons. Job seekers and professionals know that managing application and interviews can be a headache, but the Robert Half app promises to simplify the process. But does it truly help you land a job faster? One big pro is convenience. Most people get this wrong by assuming job apps only list openings. Robert Half lets you search for positions, apply with your resume, and track your application status in real time. You can also receive personalized job alerts based on your skills and location, keeping you ahead of new opportunities. Another advantage is networking and resources. The app provides insights into companies' interview tips and allows direct communication with recruiters. This makes it easier to prepare for applications and stay connected with potential employers without relying solely on email. However, there are cons. Some users report that the interface can be slow when loading multiple job listings or filtering search results. Additionally, advanced resume features or detailed career resources are better accessed via the desktop site. Push notifications can also be inconsistent, which may cause you to miss timely updates. In conclusion, the Robert Half app is a practical tool for job seekers who want to manage applications, track opportunities, and connect with recruiters efficiently. The surprising truth is that while it streamlines job searching, full access to career resources still benefits from using the desktop platform. For professionals looking to stay organized and proactive in their job hunt, Robert Half offers a convenient and responsive mobile solution. Pairing it with the website ensures the best of both worlds.